She was an Angel fan. They met, and it's been bliss. Singleton a swing and a miss, and it's no balls and 2 strikes for 3. His first major league hit, a home run. A big swing and a miss.
That year against the Phillies in 1980.
Yep. They spent the entire game on the trainer's table. Sick. 0-2 to Dominguez. That's a called strike 3. So back-to-back strikeouts, 4 punch-outs now for Richard. Chris Carter, the DH, swings through the first fastball.
So he's had 13 pitches so far in this game, at least 95 or over. Again, another 0-2 count.
Swing and a miss, and Garret Richards has just struck out the side. 2 complete here. Yeah, nice little battle. 2 youngsters on the mound.